Good morning, guys. This is Rohit here, and today is 6th of November, and we are going to do a short ride which is around about 80 kilometers. So, let me get ready. And there are two reasons for mainly doing this ride. So, firstly, I have not done a ride for a long time, and secondly, I have bought this new camera which is Insta 360, and I have done a mount on my helmet to see if it works properly or not. So, yeah, that's the purpose of doing this ride. So show you the mount on my camera, sorry, my helmet, and this is what it looks like. So I have glued M seal on the helmet, and then I put a J hook on it. So yeah, it's pretty tough as of now, so it doesn't shake. See if it's working properly, and yeah, let's get started with the ride. I'll get ready and meet you on the bike. Here's a bike. Let's put it to start, and I'll remove this. First, we have the tank gun, we won't be needing this. Put it on the side here. This will put it down. And the bike sounds lovely. And here we go. And we are on to the highway, and we can see a lot of cyclists here. Yeah. What happens to be is that there's been an oil spill over here, and most of the car is slowed down. And I didn't come to know initially, but when the tires, the rear tires split a little, I got to understand the oil spill. So let's grab some sand from here and get some grip on our tires. That's why people are going so slow, because the oil is on the road. And today bikers just stop before the toll itself, because there seems to be like they need a lot of traction for the speed at they go. That's why. So we need to be a little careful now because of the oil that has spilled here, and the tires did not have a lot of grip. Right when I want to brake them, so except for the straight line speed, I cannot do a lot of things like swing around here because there's no grip on the tires because the oil is on the tire grip. That's why. Now the oil seems to have gone a little bit down. Now the road is getting a little more clearer. All has traveled to there because of the tires that were carrying them. Basically, not the tires were carrying them, but the people who drove from the has got the houses here. It's very little. So it won't affect a lot. But yeah, now you can see the people ahead are also still in the jam. There's a lot of places they have to cover. So we have now completed around 50 kilometers and now we have came off the highway. So we have to go another 30 kilometers on the highway and I've stopped for tea. So once we are done with the tea, now I'm going to show you the best roads for bikes. So if you're a biker, this is the best roads that you can ride upon. So yeah. And the sunshine here looks very good on the bike. The bike's looking good. Now wear the glove and let's start on the road. I'm pretty excited for the road ahead because the road ahead is very smooth and playground for bikers. So you'll see the road was I've been appreciating for a long time now. Yeah, let's go. There's my new church. Let's go! temple was the Sutla Devi temple. It's a famous temple over here. And when we go straight, we get the beach. We go straight now from here. Straight into the beach. Not this, we're just sitting there. We go to the beach. तिथे निघत नाही नंतर हा सगळे नंतर डबल पार्किंग करून जातं मग निघायला त्रास होते खूप and we'll pack it over here. Put it on a center stand. Guys, now we have finally reached here at the Kelwa beach and the ride was very fun and there seems to be a problem with my Insta, so I'll show you. So the seal or the clay you see here, that was getting stuck on my screen and now there's a little patch, this part. So I cleaned it off a little bit, but still it's a little bit over there. I have to go home and clean it and I'll put my helmet and a bag. So I'll just put my helmet in a helmet bag and close the bag, open a jacket a little bit and get on the beach. So I'll see you there. So we're done with the packing now, let's go inside. And there's a ₹5 entry charge on the entry gate. You have to pay for it. And I'll show you the beach. Here's the shore. Looks very scenic over here. The fog is still there on the beach. There seems to be a sitting place over there, so there seems to be a little sitting place over there. There are cement, sacks over there. So I'll just go over there and sit over there. Yeah. Struggling to walk on sand, even with the shoes. Yeah, so here we are. Yes, I was right at all cement sack. I have to climb up. I'll have to go around from here. Here and enjoy the ocean view. So now it's around 9 a.m. and now I've sat here around for 30 minutes and it's very quite peaceful, and as you can, if you can hear, I suppose the waves are crashing. It's very meditative and I was just sitting and like in my thoughts, and it was very peaceful out here. So yeah, but now the people have started arriving on the beach and the crowd is getting up here. So now I'll leave, but before that I'll go out of the gate where we paid the entry fees, and there are a few restaurants there that was closed while we came in, but now I suppose they might have been opened up. So I'll have a breakfast over there and then we'll continue. So let me pack all my things up, wear my jacket, put my knee guard on, and once that is done, then I'll have a breakfast. So it's around 9:30 now, and I'm done with my breakfast. So I had a missile out there, the restaurant, the same like the dhaba side of homemade food where I said that I would find food, but it was not worth it. It was like sort of tasteless, and yeah, overpriced also in that sense. So now I'm back on the bike, and now I'll pack all the things and I'll get ready and we'll go back home. So yeah, also the temperature started increasing, so it's getting hotter now. So yeah, I'll hop on the bike fast. साइड में ले लेना, साइड लगा ना. ना. So guys, I'm finally back at home and it's around 11:15. So the ride back home was very tiring sort of, because a lot of traffic on the road, because the people have started coming on the road, and the heat was also increasing. So if I wasn't riding the bike, I was sweating a lot. But anyways, the temperature was very high. So yeah, I came back and then I just rested, and yeah, today's ride was very successful. So thank you for watching video. Hope you like this video, and if you did like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.